She just fell in love with Jonathan. She was scared of him at first, but now she is all over him.
Oh. Oh,
See there?
that's sweet.
You want to put your foot in the food. You want to put your foot in the food.
Hmm.
She's like slipping everywhere. Mommy,
She likes
Poppy.
those pans.
Yeah, they clutter. I think she likes the sun cluttering.
Hey. She is smiling for
I took a
me.
video of her. She crawled to my leg and she was like, I took a video.
What you cooking? Huh? Can I have some? Can I have some pie? Yeah.
She has good motor skills also.
Yeah. Nom, 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 nom. Is it yummy? Mmm. Mmm. Sister. What are you doing, sister?
Does she ever like get on the dog or mess with the dog?
The dog?
Yeah.
Yes, she'll come over there and grab her hair, you know. Because I make her move. I'm in here, and most of the time she'll just get up and move. When she first started doing that, she would kind of snap at her a little bit, you know.
Oh wow.
Hey.
But we scold her so much she don't do it now.
Yeah, she'll let her be.
Yeah.